Whenever something goes wrong in a factory, quality is blamed. Rejection, quality problem. Customer complaint, quality problem. Line stop, quality problem. But let me ask you one simple question. Is quality really the problem? Or is quality just the one pointing out the problem? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Sadesh VMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand why quality is always blamed, what is the real reason behind it, and how to fix this at system level. Simple, practical, and based on real shop floor experience. Why quality gets blamed? Let's start with reality. Quality is the department that inspects product, finds defects, raises issues, stops wrong material. So naturally, whenever something is found, quality becomes visible. And what is visible gets blamed. What actually happens? Let's see a common situation. Production runs the line. Due to some issue, process variation happens. Defect is generated, but it is not noticed immediately. Later, quality checks the product, finds the defect, stops the line, and then everyone says, quality didn't control this. But think carefully. Did quality create the defect? No. Quality only identified it. So, what's the real root cause? The real issue is this. Quality is seen as responsible for product instead of process. In reality, process create quality. If process is weak, defects will come, even if quality checks 100 times. Biggest misunderstanding. Many organizations believe quality department is responsible for quality. This is wrong. Correct understanding is every process owner is responsible for quality. Production creates it, maintenance supports it, stores affects it, management drives it, quality only monitors it. Why this blame continues? This blame culture continues because targets are not aligned. Ownership is not clear. System is weak. So, when problem comes, people try to protect themselves. And the easiest target is quality because quality reports the issue. So, what is the impact of blaming quality? This creates serious problems. Quality becomes defensive, production becomes careless, issues are hidden, root cause is not solved, and the biggest loss same problems repeat. Kappa is closed, but issue comes back again. So, what should change? Now, let's understand solution. First one, change responsibility. Thinking, stop saying quality will ensure quality. Start saying process owner will ensure quality. This creates ownership. Second, build quality in process. Do not depend only on inspection. Focus on process control, standard work, mistake proofing. Then defects reduce automatically. Third one, use daily management system. Daily review is important. Discuss defects, losses, actions, quality, and production together. Same platform. Fourth, encourage problem reporting. If people fear reporting, they will hide issues. Create culture where reporting problem is positive. This improves the system. So what's the role of leadership? Leadership must change approach. Do not ask who is responsible. Ask what in system failed because blaming people does not improve system. What improves after change? When this mindset changes, blame reduces. Ownership increases. Problems are solved faster. Rework reduces. Teamwork improves. Most important, problems stop repeating. Quality is not the problem. Quality is the signal. If you blame the signal, you will miss the real issue. Fix the process, not the department. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you want to build a system where quality is not blamed, but quality is built in process, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.